In this video, we'll show you how to access the RoofSnap Help Center from your iOS device. Now on your app's home screen, you'll see a link to our Help Center at the bottom left of the screen. Tapping the link will open the Help Center inside of the app. You'll be able to browse all of our Help Center articles from your device. Tap an article to open it for video tutorials and quick answers to your questions. For iOS-specific tutorials, be sure to look for RoofSnap on iOS in the article title. Use the search bar to find articles on specific topics or questions you might have. Click the X or Cancel to the right of the bar to clear your search. To exit the Help Center, tap the blue arrow on the Help Center header. You can always navigate back to it using the Help Center link. To access the Help Center outside of the iOS app, visit support.roofsnap.com.